Hello.
Welcome to our drawing channel. Today, together with you, we will draw
Horse.
a real little horse, but
A cartoon one.
for this, you will need a drawing album, a pencil, an eraser, colored markers or pencils.
And a black marker. Give us more likes and press the notification bell,
So you won't miss our new drawing lessons. Let's take a pencil and start drawing. We'll begin by drawing the head. Follow along with me. Draw a shape like this.
I want the drawing to be very cute.
Now let's draw a line here. This will be her muzzle. Next, we'll draw nostrils for our little horse. And now, let's draw a smile. Well done! Now let's draw her big, round eyes. Inside, we need to draw pupils. Then add some highlights. Let's also add eyelashes. Now, let's draw eyebrows. Here, we need to draw her ears. Now, let's draw a little forelock for our little horse. Now, let's start drawing the body. We'll draw the neck. Let me help you with this part. Now, here, we'll draw it like this. And let's draw the front legs of our horse. Now, let's draw her back. And start drawing the hind legs of our horse. Watch closely and follow along with me. First, draw the wider part. Then the thinner part of the leg. Draw the second leg the same way. Now, let's draw hooves for our little horse. When you're drawing, the most important thing is that you like it. Now, let's draw a flowing mane. Well done! Now, let's draw a tail. If we've finished drawing, let's put our pencils aside. Take a black marker to outline our drawing.
I'm finished.
Then take an eraser and remove any unnecessary lines. Now, set the eraser aside. Take markers to color our drawing.
Friends, if you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our channel. Well, Mom, shall we show how it turned out?
Yes.